Hi, do you know the difference between dendritic cells and dendrites? Dendritic cells are the cells of the lymphatic system, that is, they are the cells of the immune system, while dendrites are a part of neuron, so they come under nervous system. But today's spotlight's on the dendritic cells. Dendritic cells confer immunity to our body. That's why they are put under immune cells. And they are produced by the hematopoietic stem cells of the bone marrow. We know that bone marrow contains these stem cells which have the potency to differentiate into any blood cells. So the dendrites are produced by the hematopoietic stem cells of the bone marrow. So after they are being produced, they migrate and they settle down in different tissues like the skin, the lymph nodes, like the spleen, which are the graveyards of RBC, and in the mucosal surfaces like basically in buccal cavity, alimentary canal. And when I want you to look at the structure of dendritic cells, they have this flagellated projections that resemble like dendrites of a neuron, right? Okay, so with these projections, they function by capturing the antigen. So they capture the antigen and then they engulf and sort of know the pathogen in and out. So they process the antigen, finally they pack the antigen and present the antigen like this to the helper T cells. Now this will activate the helper T cells and helper T cells will immediately trigger what we call as the adaptive immunity. Okay, let's do a quick recap. The dendritic cells belong to the immune cells and they are produced by the stem cells of the bone marrow, after which they go and settle down in various tissues to protect them from the antigen. So if they find antigen, they'll use their projections to capture the antigen and to present the antigen to the helper T cells. This will activate the helper T cells and it will ignite or start the adaptive immunity. There are four types of the dendritic cells: Langerhans, interstitial, myeloid and lymphoid. Now look at the screen. Tell me which is a dendritic cell and which is a dendrites, and comment down below.